Welcome to the fourth episode in the Kitchen Week series. In this one, you will learn the best practices for kitchen and casework scheduling. First, it might be a good idea to filter your schedule to only include cabinets from a specific kitchen in the project. In this case, we add the purest comments to all the cabinets in this one. Then, we create a new schedule with a casework category. Start by adding the comments parameters. Filter the schedule to only keep elements with the purest comment value. Then add other fields. You should add description and all the dimension values, depth, width, and height. You can also include a count parameter. Just a quick note. For the schedule, we're using the default families of the BIM Pure Casework collection, which are mostly using instance parameters and dimensions. We've also included families with type-based values, so you'll get instructions for that later. In sorting and grouping, sort by description, then by width, depth, and height. Uncheck Itemize every instance. Right now, the description is empty. For each type, add a custom description. Now, you can see all the cabinets in the Purest Kitchen along with the correct description. In this example, we've created a custom shared instance parameter for casework called assembly number. We add it to all elements in the schedule. Then we add another shared parameter called unit cost. You can fill in the cost for each of these cabinets. You can adjust the field format to show the dollar symbol. Then, make sure to activate the totals for the unit cost. Place the schedule on the sheet. As mentioned, these are using instance-based parameters. If you do a lot of scheduling and often repeat the same cabinet dimensions, you might prefer to use type-based dimensions instead of instance. If that's the case, you can use the type-based families included in the BIM Pure collection. They have the TB acronym in the family name. This way, you can use the built-in cost and assembly code parameters for the scheduling. Finally, you can use a casework tag and identify the assembly number. This is an easy way to link the schedule to the 3D views or elevations. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to download our brand new Casework collection for Revit. It includes everything you need to model and document powerful kitchens and bathrooms. It also includes 6 sample kitchens for inspiration, with one of them fully annotated. Get the collection now at bimpure.com/casework.